In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cron job on Hostinger's hPanel. A cron job is an incredibly useful tool that automates repetitive tasks on your server, such as running scripts or performing system maintenance without needing your constant oversight. Let's dive into the process and make it as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. If you're unfamiliar with Hostinger, it's a user-friendly web host that simplifies managing your web services, making cron jobs easy to set up with just a few clicks. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the hPanel dashboard where all the functions and features are neatly organized for ease of access. Your goal is to find the advanced section within the dashboard. This is where you'll gain access to more specialized features that go beyond basic website management. Under Advanced, look for a function labeled Cron Jobs. By selecting this, you'll be led to the area where you can create and manage your cron jobs. Now that you're in the cron job section, it's time to add a new job. This is done by simply clicking on the Add New Cron Job button. This function allows you to create a specific task that your server will perform automatically, saving both time and effort in the process of maintaining your site. Once you've clicked to add a new cron job, you'll need to set up the command and schedule. Think of the command as the specific task you want your server to execute. This could be anything from backing up your website to updating your database. Make sure you input the command accurately to avoid any potential errors. After setting the command, it's crucial to determine how often you want this task to run. The schedule is flexible. You can set it to run every minute, hour, day, week, or whatever interval suits your needs. For this demonstration, let's schedule the job to run every hour. This could be particularly useful if you're managing a busy website that needs frequent updates. After specifying your command and choosing the appropriate timing for the cron job, it's essential to save your configurations. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that the changes you've made are stored and active. After saving, you'll want to verify that the cron job runs as expected. This involves checking that the script executes at the specified interval and performs the desired task correctly. You might want to test it a couple of times to ensure everything operates smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a cron job using Hostinger's hPanel, automating a key task in your web management routine. This will help streamline your operations, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your project without worrying about repetitive chores. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.